Hi there guys! This is a day in the life of a freelance UI and UX designer. So I'm gonna show you right now a simple project I'm working on today. I'm hoping this video will answer your typical questions on what it is like to be a UI designer. So let's start.
Wow!
So this is a typical brief for a short project. So this is a confirmation page. The client happily provided us with an icon, a design reference, and a document with the text content of the page. So we're gonna start right off the bat with collecting the icons. Each client has different preferences. This client prefers his icons to be in high fidelity. So all the icons I'm gonna give to him is an SVG files for his developer to use. Unlike PNGs and JPEGs, SVGs doesn't lose their quality when the website is on a different resolution. And they also prefer to use Photoshop because the developer only uses Photoshop. We have here on the right of the Photoshop file the table I made for them. So this is the branding reference, and the image on the lower left side of the screen, the brown one, is the content reference. So the goal is to match the font and the style, essentially matching the branding of the previously designed web page with this one. You can see me here pausing and thinking about the placement of these two sections. So there's a little bit trial and error involved in this one. And you can see on the call button, I've switched the text a bit for it to be more consistent. So the video just skipped a bit. As you can see, we have now a button and then a background image. So they want this site to be responsive, so I'm gonna make a mobile version of this. So on the mobile page, I'm gonna remove the background and center all the content. So we've sent it to the client and we have now our first revision. It's just some minor changes on text, color, and placements. So I'm gonna speed this up a bit. I'm just applying the revisions and splitting this file into 2 Photoshop files, and renaming all the layers and grouping them. So I messed up a bit and I didn't save the icons. So I have to copy it from Photoshop to Illustrator again and export them individually for the handoff. So that's it. In summary, this took about over 1 hour. This includes the revisions. So all the tools I've used are in the descriptions below. And as you can see, you don't need much tools to just do UI design. And the tools like Sketch, XD, Figma, they're easy to learn if you know Photoshop and Illustrator. And don't get me started on the prototyping tools like InVision or Marvel app. They are just like PowerPoint. If you know PowerPoint, it's easy. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this little peek on how UI designers work. See you again on the next video. Bye.